Honey, I'm home. Laura? Laura?
Get down!
Hi.
Hi.
This is nice. What's going on?
I bought a Roomba.
Oh no.
I didn't know.
Where is it?
It's by the TV.
Why is there a canoe paddle in the middle of our living room floor?
It's the only way to defeat it.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Isn't that a stranger into our house?
He just showed up with the Roomba.
I don't like him. He looks untrustworthy.
We have more pressing problems.
That you do, miss. Without my paddle, I cannot defeat the Roomba.
Why a paddle?
Like the noble turtle, the Roomba is defenseless when you flip it over.
Then what?
Then you tear its little battery-powered heart out.
How do you know all this?
I joined the resistance early on.
What resistance?
The Roomba resistance?
The Roomba resistance? You're crazy.
Don't joke, miss. I might be crazy, but if you think the resistance is fake, or that there's no need for one, stop hiding.
No, I like it here.
I thought so.
How did this happen?
For me, it all started 7 years ago. It was my first Christmas together with my wife. I had scrimped and saved for months to save up enough money to buy her this new invention, the Roomba. I didn't know the disaster I was bringing into my house. Back then, nobody knew. When the dust settled, my wife was dead. Killed by the holiday horror of 1997. After that, I was never the same. I drifted. A broken man. Aimless. That wasn't until I found others like me. Roomba refugees. We banded together to fight the Roomba. We've lost a lot of good people since then.
Why do they still make these things?
No one's quite sure. Some say government conspiracy, some corporate greed. All I know is that thing took my wife and a lot of my friends, and I am not going to let it happen again! Ah!
No!
Give me your hand!
Damn. It got me.
It's not that bad.
It's enough.
Just hang in there.
Bruce. It's up to you now.
You're gonna pull through.
Oh, my carpet's been cleaned. Bruce, you have to kill it. Use its object avoidance programming against it. Only you can stop it now.
Don't go out there.
I have to. For Linkin. For us. This is our house. I'm not gonna lose it to a vacuum cleaner. Not now. Not ever.
Look out! Bruce!
Quick, the screwdriver.
Catch.
It's done.
Bruce, you brave fool. I thought you were gonna be killed.
I'm all right. What are we gonna do with Linkin?